Hello everyone, welcome again. So in the previous video we learned how to use Cloud IAM, Identity Access Management. In this part of this course we will learn what is cloud monitoring and how to monitor our application resources in the Google Cloud platform. So we will learn first how to create a compute engine instance or a virtual machine instance. We already did that before. Second, we will add Apache HTTP server to our instance. And third, we will create a cloud monitoring, then create an uptime check and alerting policy for our virtual machine. Then we will create a dashboard and chart to know the insights of our virtual machine. And the last, we will learn how to view our logs. So, first of all, what is cloud monitoring? Cloud monitoring provides visibility into the performance, uptime, and overall health of our cloud-powered applications. Also, cloud monitoring collects metrics, events, and metadata from Google Cloud and Amazon Web Service and variety of common application components, including Nginx, Apache Web Server, and more. Cloud monitoring consumes the data and generates insights via dashboards and charts and alerts. Cloud monitoring alerting help you to collaborate by integrating with Slack, HipChat, and more. We will learn together how to monitor our Google Compute Engine virtual machine instance with cloud monitoring. We will also learn how to install monitoring and logging agents for our virtual machine instance, which collect more information from your instance, which could include metrics and logs from third-party application. So let's get started. So in this section, I will use a quick lab for this video. So thank you, Quick Labs. So first of all, let's create our virtual machine, and we learned before there is two ways to create a virtual machine, one from the navigation panel, a navigation menu, and the other from the Cloud Shell. In this time, we will create it from the navigation menu. So let's click on VM instances, okay, and then click on create. So for the name for this virtual machine, I will name it lamp1 VM, and for the region we will set it as US Central 1, and for the zone US Central 1A, and for machine type I will select N1 standard 2, and we have to check, and we will leave all the value as default, but in the firewall we will allow traffic, HTTP traffic. Once I click on create, it will take about few seconds to create our first virtual machine. Then we will add an Apache HTTP server to this instance. So let's wait a couple of seconds, and here you can see some of tutorials how to connect to your instance and another stuff. You can also open Google Cloud Console, Google Cloud Docs for the steps step by step. Okay, as we can see, this is our first virtual machine and the status is running. So to add Apache HTTP server to this instance, we have to do this by clicking on SSH, Secure Shell. We will run some commands in this Secure Shell, which will be deployed in the virtual machine only, not the Google Cloud Platform at all. So first of all, we have to run this command line to update, like sudo apt get update, and as we can see it is updating. Okay, we update our version from 10.3 to 10.4. So the next command will be install the Apache HTTP server. To do that, we have to write sudo apt get install Apache2, and then the version of this HTTP server Apache, which is PHP 7.0 and click on enter. And yes, now it's installing. Here it says, do you want to continue? Type Y to continue and click on enter. Okay, so it's now installing the Apache HTTP server to our virtual machine. Okay, so okay, we have now installed the Apache to our virtual machine. We have to restart the Apache service by write sudo service Apache2 restart. Okay, it's now restarting. So to check that our Apache is connected to our virtual machine, we have to click on the external IP, and if we see this page, it works. So this is a welcome page used to test the correct operation of Apache2 server after installation on Debian system. So now the Apache is connected to our virtual machine. So that's all for this video. In the next video we will learn how to create a monitoring workspace and how to set up an monitoring agent and logging agent, and also in the rest videos we will learn how to create uptime check and alerting policy and dashboard. Thank you for this time for this video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.